Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen, and we're outside of Walmart to do our Walmart Ibotta haul. So if you check your Ibotta accounts, there is a Cupid bonus and I have a Weekend Warrior bonus. And if you're new to Ibotta, you can stack those bonuses. So for the Cupid bonus, it is get 30 rebates, get an additional $10 back. So on top of getting the rebates back for all the different items that you're buying, you're gonna get an additional $10 back. I also have my Weekend Warrior bonus, which is do 12 rebates, get an additional $1 back. So you can combine the two. So the 12 would be tracking towards the 30 rebates for the Cupid bonus. So we're gonna do at least 12 rebates today. I'm gonna try to do as many as I can. Couple good freebies, especially a good Checkout 51 freebie that I'm gonna add in there for you guys. So let's go inside and check it out. The first deal we're gonna pick up is this Rimmel bronzer. You can pick up any of these bronzers here. They are $3.95. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this one, looks really nice. Then you're going to use this $1 off coupon from the 2 Smart Source, and Ibotta is gonna give us back $1.35. So final cost is gonna be just $1.62. The next cosmetic deal we're gonna pick up is some Rimmel eye products. So I already scanned this one here and it does work. It is gonna be $3.97. We're gonna use this $1 off coupon from any Rimmel eye product from the 2 Smart Source, and Ibotta is gonna give us back $1.50. So final cost is gonna be just $1.47. The next item we're gonna buy are these Chobani Greek yogurt drinks. So they're on rollback for $1.22. We're gonna go ahead and pick up 4 of those. Then we have this $1 off 4 coupon from the 2 Smart Source insert. Then Ibotta is gonna give us back $2.75 when you buy 4. So make sure you guys read that. Sometimes you have to buy multiple of a product for you to get the rebate back. So final cost is gonna be about 30 cents each. Really, really great deal, and I love these drinkable yogurts. This next offer is a complete freebie. So it is on these Wii yogurts. I've never tried those, so that's one of the other amazing things about couponing and using all these different rebate apps. You can try some really cool products that you've never tried before. So I really like blueberry. I'm gonna grab one of these and a peach. So these are $1.26. Now, when you buy one, you're gonna get $1.34 back, and it is a limit of 2. So when you buy 2, they're both going to be free and a nice moneymaker. Okay, and even more yogurt. We are really stocking up on yogurt today. So these individual Chobanis are on rollback. They are just 88 cents. So when you buy 2 of these, you have to buy 2. You're gonna get back $1.22. So final cost is going to be 54 cents for both, or about 27 cents each. Okay, this is the last yogurt deal I'm gonna get, I promise. So it's on Oikos Greek yogurt. So the good thing is, if you like Oikos better than Chobani, you guys can do whatever deals work best for you guys. So I personally like this 000. I'm gonna grab one of these. They are on rollback for just 83 cents each. And when you buy one, Ibotta is gonna give us back 50 cents. So final cost is gonna be just 33 cents. Next item we're gonna buy is this Delight coffee creamer. I need more creamer, that's why I'm gonna do this deal. It is $2.77. Ibotta is gonna give us back $1. Final cost is just $1.77. You guys can do, if you wanna stock up on some paper products, is one of these 6 rolls of Cottonelle. It has to be 6 rolls or larger. They are $6.48. You can use a 55-cent printable coupon from scottbrand.com. Then Ibotta is gonna give us back $1. And when you scan your receipt to fetch rewards, you're gonna get back 1,250 points. Now accounts do vary, but my account is showing a bonus of 1,250 points, which is the equivalent of $1.25. So final cost would be just $3.68. And if you're not signed up with Ibotta yet, if you use this code here, J24VT, for Fetch Rewards, sorry, not Ibotta. Ibotta is linked below in the description box. But for Fetch Rewards, when you scan your receipt, so if you do all these transactions, enter in that code and scan this receipt from Walmart, you'll get an additional 2,750 points. And you can cash that out right away for a $3 gift card, because doing this deal will put you over 3,000 points, and they have Walmart gift cards. So if you guys need any dog food, you can pick up these cute little Bella individual servings. They are 3.5 ounce. I did scan them. A couple different flavors do work. So I'm gonna pick up one of the chicken, and I got one of the bacon and one of the turkey. They all work. So you have to buy 3 of them, and they are 62 cents each. So Ibotta is gonna give us back $1 when you buy 3. So you do have to buy 3 of those. Final cost is going to be just 28 cents each. So that's more than half off, which is a great deal. The next item we're gonna pick up is some feminine care products. So these Poise Actives, you can get the regular length, the long length. They are $4.84. So I'm gonna pick up the regular length here. Now on poise.com, you can print out a $3 off 1 coupon. So we're gonna pay just $1.84 out of pocket, but then Ibotta is gonna give us back $2. So final cost on this is going to be absolutely free and a 16-cent moneymaker. Another item you can pick up is the Sun and Earth biodegradable flushable wipes. Has to be the 50 count or larger. They are $2.47. Ibotta is gonna give us back $1. So final cost is just $1.47. So for some oral care, you can pick up these Listerine Ready tabs that look like this. It is the 8 count. They are $2.62. Ibotta will give us back $2. So final cost is just 62 cents. Another deal is gonna be on these Dial foaming hand soaps. They are $1.84 each. So we're gonna pick up 2 of those. We're gonna use this $1 off 2 coupon from the 2 Retail Me Not. Then we'll pay $2.68 out of pocket, get back 75 cents when you buy 2 from Ibotta. So final cost would be just 99 cents each. So not the most amazing deal, but it's gonna help us get us towards those bonuses that we're going after. Okay, so this is gonna be the really nice freebie from Checkout 51. It is on these Sensitive Advanced from Bic Soleil. They are $5.97. We are going to use this $3 off any Bic Soleil coupon, and we're getting that from the Checkout Smart Source, and then Checkout 51 is going to give us back $3. So final cost is absolutely free. So now there's 2 items you can pick up. I'm going to pick up one of these because I just ran out the other day. It is $2.52. Ibotta is going to give us back 50 cents, makes it just $2.02. Not the best deal. Or you can buy this plant-based. It is $2.82. If you have a $1 off coupon, I think it was the 126 Retail Me Not. I can't find that coupon for some reason. So if you have that coupon, you would pay $1.82. Country Crock will give you back, or not Country Crock, Ibotta would give you back $1. It would make it just 82 cents. The last deal right before we check out is on the Plistex. I'm gonna get this one. Make sure you scan whatever flavor you guys want. Ibotta's gonna give us back 50 cents. Final cost, 47 cents. So let's check out and see how it goes. Okay, so we're back in from Walmart and everything went great. No issues with any of the paper coupons that we had either. So if you're not a subscriber yet, make sure you guys take a second, hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. So I wound up doing a total of 15 offers. I grabbed a couple additional offers that I wasn't originally planning on doing, but I wanted to make sure that I hit the 12. And my final goal is to get 30 rebates back so that I can do the Cupid bonus, which will give me another $10 back. So there were a couple any item offers as well. So I got back an additional 25 cents for that. So let's go over my receipt. The numbers are gonna be a little off because I bought like bacon and heavy cream and just a couple things that I needed for dinner tonight, making pasta carbonara for my Valentine's Day dinner. So here is the receipt. All the coupons and everything came off. The $3 for the Bic Soleil, didn't have any issues with any of those. So as far as the final numbers for you guys, because this is gonna obviously be off from me buying a couple personal items that I needed to. And some of the items like the butter was not the best deal, but I ran out of butter. So I was gonna buy it anyway. So that's why I made sure that I bought a butter that had a rebate on it, because if it's a product you're gonna be buying anyways, you may as well get some rebates back, get some money back. So the total for all the items we bought today was $40.99 plus taxes. The coupons were $10 in paper coupons. So pay $30.99 roughly, give or take a little bit, plus taxes out of pocket. Ibotta gave me back $18.50. That's including the dollar bonus for the Weekend Warrior. And then Checkout 51 gave me back $3 for that Bic Soleil razor deal. So final cost was $9.49, and we got like 18 items today. So that's about 50 cents per item, which is amazing because some of the items were over $5. We got makeup items, food products, everything you guys could need. The Cottonelle I didn't wind up buying. I just wanted to share with you guys that deal. So if you guys have any questions or anything, of course, let me know. If you haven't seen my how to use the Ibotta Rebate app, I will link the video in the description box, or you can click on this video here. And we're in the middle of getting ready for all the deals next week. So I have my ad previews for Walgreens and CVS up, and I have my must-do video deal available as well for you guys to check out. So make sure you check out any of these additional videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.